Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot for CRM implementation, full guide step by step clearly. To configure HubSpot for CRM implementation, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the setting icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the objects section on the left sidebar. Click on contacts to set up your contact properties. Review the default properties that are available for contacts. Add any custom properties you may need by selecting the Manage Properties section. Ensure you define the necessary fields for your team's workflow. Next, move on to the Companies tab under the Objects section. Set up company properties in a similar manner as you did for contacts. Now, navigate to the Deals section. Here, create deal stages that reflect your sales process accurately. After setting up properties, proceed to the Users and Teams option in the Settings menu. Invite your team members by clicking on Invite Users. Assign roles and permissions according to their responsibilities. Next, go to the Integrations section to connect other tools you use. If you use email marketing, integrate your preferred email platform. Then, access the sales tools to customize your pipeline settings. Create and customize your sales pipeline based on the deal stages you set up earlier. Once the CRM structure is in place, upload your existing contact and company data. Use the import tool found under the Contacts and Companies sections. Follow the prompts to ensure data is mapped correctly. After the data upload, review for accuracy and completeness. Next, set up automation within HubSpot to streamline repetitive tasks. Navigate to the Automation section in the main menu. Create workflows that align with your business processes. Finally, complete your configuration by training your team on how to use HubSpot effectively. Encourage them to explore the platform and utilize its capabilities to enhance productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.